So this is a quick tutorial on how to use the portal. This is a mini portal, but they all work about the same. You got an amplifier, a reverb unit, and a noise killer. They're not always going to be painted black like this. The reverb unit will be red and the noise killer will be green. So what you want to do is plug into the input of the amplifier. That's going to go into the reverb unit right here, and then there's going to be a cable connecting the reverb unit and the noise killer. Now you're going to take your included cable and plug the large end into the side of the noise killer. Okay, and it should say Spirit Box input. I make sure I put those labels on all of them, but if I forget, that's where it goes. The noise killer has a threshold level and a little switch on the top. I keep it set up to hard, and I keep threshold in the middle until I'm ready to adjust it. And then the reverb unit, I keep it set in the middle till I'm ready to adjust it too. Turning it to the left is going to reduce your amount of effect, and turning it to the right is going to increase your amount of effect. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is turn on the amplifier. For this one, it's just on the top, says on and off. The volume control, turn up a little bit. And then I'm going to take a Spirit Box and turn it on. Okay, and I'm going to plug it into the headphone output jack. Okay, you can hear that coming through the amplifier right now. So now what I need to do is connect a power supply to the okay, so I've just got a 9-volt power supply. What I'm going to do is connect it to the splitter. The splitter goes in, is the power supply that goes into each pedal, effect pedal. These are called effect pedals. I'm just going to plug that in. Make sure the okay, I'm going to go ahead and start sweeping with the Spirit Box. Okay. Now I'm going to use the threshold to cut that noise. Turning it to the right just until I cut the noise. Some people like a little bit more static, so you can turn that back a bit if you like the static and the noise. Some people think that's where the EVP comes through. I like to turn it just enough so that there's not a whole lot of noise. Now both pedals are on. You can see the little red light. If you don't see the red light, then you just push the on and off switch. Okay? Turn up your volume. Adjust that threshold a little more. Now on this amplifier here, and they all work about the same, so you'll have a tone control, you'll have a gain control. Your gain control is, if you use too much of it, you'll get distortion. So just use it a little bit to help increase your volume. And that's pretty much it. Now this amplifier is running on its own battery, and these are running off the battery pack, so that'll give you more battery time altogether. Like I said, they'll work about the same, but I'll do another one showing the portable portal and the original as well. So hopefully that helps get things started, and if you have any questions, just give me an email through the website.